Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial we are going to solve this given system of two equations with two variables by using a method called Cramer's rule. Before we go any further, I just want you to look at these two equations and we want to make sure that a couple of things are being satisfied. So the very first thing that we keep in mind that all these x's are nicely lined up, y's are nicely lined up as well, and the numbers on the right hand side. I put in a different kind of color, red color. I did it for purpose and I'll tell you later on. And over here, make sure if there's any coefficient is missing, put down like y was there, so I put down 1 times y. So now let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we want to solve this system means that we are looking for unknown variables. What are our variables that we are looking for? We want to solve this thing means we want to solve for x and y, isn't it? That means we are looking for x value and we are looking for y value. So here we're gonna play a small kind of game. Okay, go ahead, let's get started. I want you to put down x right up here. I want you to put one box on the top and one box on the bottom. Likewise, I want you to put for y same thing. Put one box on the bottom, on the top, and one on the bottom. And by the way, these boxes are called determinants, or simply determinant. Just keep in your mind they have a special name, determinant. Now next step, I want you to just go see over here. We want to fill out these determinants are these boxes. Look at these coefficients on the left hand side, 2, 1, 3 and -5. Whatever these numbers are, I want you to put in the bottom determinants in the same order. So you're going to have 2, 1, 3, -5. Same numbers on the next bottom, same thing, same numbers, 2, 1, 3, -5. So far so good. The next thing, I want you to look at these red numbers in the red. I want you to put in the first, for x is going to be first column. So -1 and -21. And for y, it shifts to the the next column, -1 and -21. So far so good. Now we need to fill out this second column. Look at the numbers right underneath this column. What are the numbers below this empty column? This is 1, -5. I want you to push these numbers up, copy and paste. So those going to be same number, 1, -5. And likewise over here for this empty column to be filled out, look at the numbers below, which is 2 and 3. Push them up or simply copy and paste. This become 2 and 3. So we have nicely set up these x and y, these boxes. Now we're going to find the value of these determinants. And here I have put down this top determinant right up here. I'm gonna find the value or evaluate it. So let me show you really super easy method. I want you to cross multiply this way. All right, -1 times -5 is gonna be +5, and after that one always put down a minus sign. Okay, and then I want you to cross multiply the other way around. So 1 times -21 equals to -21. Do you see that one? Now when you have a two negative each other, they become positive. So we got 5 plus 21 equal to 26. So the value of this top determinant, this value turns out to be 26. All right, so far so good. And now we're going to find the value of this bottom determinant. And now here is the bottom determinant. As you can see, let's go ahead and evaluate this one, we're going to do the same thing, same way we did before, exactly same way. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10, and right after that one I want you to put a minus takeaway sign, minus, and then I want you to multiply the other, cross multiply the other way around. What we are doing is we are crisscrossing. So 1 times 3 is 3. That is going to give us negative 13. So the determinant of the bottom one turns out to be negative 13. Now you can see the bottom determinants are same, so we don't have to do the bottom determinant all over again. We got the value, so this has a value negative 13 as well. And now we're going to find the value of this top determinant for y variable that I put it down over here, copy it down, and let's do exactly the same way as we did before, crisscross. Let's go first this way. 2 times negative 21 is negative 42. Once again, as I told you before, I want you to put a minus or takeaway sign and then multiply the other way around. That is gonna be negative 3, isn't it? So negative 3. So let's simplify that one. So negative 42, negative and negative, they're next to each other, become positive, plus 3. If you simplify, that becomes negative 39. So the value of this one turns out to be negative 39. So if you simplify or reduce, this turns out to be simply negative 2 over here, and this turns out to be value of y is 3. Thus our solution turns out to be negative 2 comma 3. Negative 2 is your x value and 3 is your y value. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.
Skyhawks Academy provides golden opportunity to join Air Force, Navy and Army. It provides special guidelines of ISSP, induction coaching, admission preparation, entry tests and tuition for matric, FSC and O-level, A-level.